Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to stop Snapchat notification. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen. And from here you scroll down. You as can see your notification, TikTok notification, Snapchat and other notification. So how to stop your notification? Go back your home screen and open your setting apps. From here you search for this notification and status bar. Tap on notification and status bar. Tap on this. From here you as can see apps notification. You search for this Snapchat. Scroll down and turn off this toggle Snapchat notification. Turn off. After that I hope your problem will be fixed. You have deleted view notification, then type on more setting and tap on notification history. You have turn off this toggle and after that you have see deleted notification. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.